Mula sa aming lahat dito sa WRI 94.3 FM Pinoy Kabayan Radio, happiest birthday to you, Admin Shin and Indig. At maraming salamat sa inyong founder Dines, sa po ng inyong mga kasamahan sa TUB, The Ultimate Voice. There's a lover's moon tonight as I look back over my shoulder. All the stars are shining bright, just like the nights when I used to hold her. She's out there somewhere under the lover's moon. Lover's moon, won't you shine on me? I'm dancing with a memory. I wish I might have one last chance to hold her tight, waiting. I know she's waiting. I know she waits for me under the lover's moon. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta dito sa WRA. At kaming lahat dito ay buong nagpapasalamat sa inyong partisipasyon para mas marami pa tayong mapasaya. There's a lover's moon tonight, shining down on half of this world. So many stars are in its light, but for me there is just one girl, and she's waiting. I know she's waiting. I know she waits for me under the lover's moon. Under the lover's moon. Again, happy birthday to you, Admin Shin and Indig. At walang sawang pasasalamat sa buong grupo mo, sa founder nyo, at sa lahat ng mga admins members ng TUB, The Ultimate Voice. More power, guys, and God bless us all.